Setting up environment. In this tutorial, we will be using a Postgres database with pgadmin 4 as a client. You can also use SQL Electron as a client. If you prefer to use MySQL, that's fine too, but some queries might need minor adjustments. Let's go to google.com and search for downloads PostgreSQL. So once you are in the browser, you type in download Postgres. The first link that you see over here will be for the downloading of the Postgres. Once you click on the link, you will be redirected to the download page. Select the operating system type you have. If you have a Mac operating system, select on Mac. And once you are over there, you select on the download the installer. And once you click on the download the installer, you will be redirected to this page where you can download PostgreSQL on different versions and on based on different types. For Mac OS, you download through this link. For Windows, you download through this link. So once you do that, you can go ahead and download the pgadmin. Same process. Go ahead and type in pgadmin download for downloading the pgadmin. Then once you scroll down a little bit, then you will head towards this link, www.pgadmin.org/downloads. Once you click on the link, you will be redirected to the pgadmin download link, where you can select the different operating systems. If you have Mac OS X, you select Mac OS X, and then you download the version you want for pgadmin. If you would like to use SQL Electron, you can similarly type in Google download SQL Electron, where you will be seeing this sqlelectron.github.io. So click on the link, and once you click on the link, you will be redirected to this page where you can hit the download GUI button over here and download the SQL Electron. Once you have the SQL Electron, you might need to connect to your Postgres database and perform your queries. Likewise, for the code, you will be using this code repository, github.com/prepsql/advanced SQL tutorials. I have laid out this code for this tutorial purpose. So for all the data that we will be using will be in this data_postgres.sql file, which you can use to replicate the environment. Moving ahead, once you download the pgadmin and set up the Postgres database, open up your pgadmin interface. Then in the interface, you will see some of the database. I have a couple of database already there. You will select, you will click on the Postgres database, and you will click on this link and create, and then hidden database. So once you are over here, you need to give your database a type. For this, we will be calling this as a demo database, DemoDB, and the owner for my database will be Postgres. And let's look ahead. Comments will not be there. Definition, security, parameters, advanced, and then SQL. So we will just need to add the database name and then hit save. So once you hit save, it will create a demo database, and then you can go ahead over the schema. And in the tables, you can see if you have any tables. If you like to perform any queries, then you can click on the link, and then you can open up your query tool or your PSQL tool based on your requirement. So go ahead and open up the query tool. So this is where we will be writing all our queries. For this purpose, we will use a couple of tables and default data, so which are explained in the below series.